If you're experiencing low performance while playing PUBG, there are several adjustments you can make to improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to enhance your performance in the game. Step 1. Adjust graphics settings. Lower the in-game graphics settings to reduce the load on your system. Navigate to the settings menu and set the graphics quality to low or medium. Disable unnecessary features like motion blur and shadows to gain better frame rates. Step 2. Update drivers. Ensure your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers. Updated drivers can significantly improve game performance and stability. Step 3. Optimize game files. Verify the integrity of the game files through the game launcher Steam, for example. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them, ensuring the game runs smoothly. Step 4. Close background applications. Before launching PUBG, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources, allowing the game to utilize more CPU and RAM, which can lead to better performance. Step 5. Adjust power settings. Change your computer's power settings to high performance. This setting ensures that your CPU and GPU are running at their maximum potential, which can help improve frame rates and overall gameplay experience. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your PUBG performance. Enjoy your gaming.